Welcome back. Now, a trough is in the western portion of the Caribbean this evening, and it is helping to generate cloudy conditions across sections of Jamaica. We also have some clouds affecting Cuba. As a result of the presence of this trough system, there's no movement associated with it. We do have some clouds also across the open waters of the basin, particularly in the southern portion of the Caribbean. We're expecting that things stay much as they are for tonight going into tomorrow, but we are expecting this trough system to weaken as we move into the weekend. Across the eastern Caribbean, stable conditions persist. High pressure dominates most of the eastern portions of the basin. The forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies, especially across sections of northern parishes. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Expect northerly winds on the south coast, and we do have winds from the east-southeast across sections of the north. There are showers expected to affect sections of the northeast in the morning, and for the afternoon, look for more of those showers expected across sections of the west. Temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius for Kingston and for Montego Bay. It's partly cloudy across most of the southeast tomorrow. The showers start in Maypen and they continue through Mandeville. We're also expecting shower activity in the afternoon in Santa Cruz as well as for Negril. Expect some showers also if you're in Montego Bay or Falmouth. Now, showers and thunderstorms are possible across sections of the northeast to include Moortown and sections of Richmond. We also have partly cloudy conditions persisting across the area for the west, but we do have showers expected in Brownstown, also in St. Anne's Bay, as well as Ocherius and Port Antonio. Now, the next few days, isolated showers are expected on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For our marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are expected on the north coast tomorrow. The winds are at 10 to 15 knots, and the wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. East-northeasterlies are on the south, speeds 10 to 50 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.